Mommy, next week a Bugsy birthday party, me can go. You know if you love people yard, so you know to see. Sometimes if you make them miss you. Every day you stop by people their yard, so it look like so you know no own and me no feed you. But mommy, please, that's your birthday party, you know. Me say no. Please, mommy. If I ever get something for ball fine here, so little girl, go sit down here. Me will do anything, mommy. Okay. Lord, Lord, do I beg you take the case and give me the pillow, Lord, and please do me like Lazarus. Cause me have to make it back for God communion Saturday. Tootsie. Why in your room look like oxide, Tootsie? If you think say you go send me home early, so you make a sad mistake. Sorry, mommy, I clothes me there I look for, cause me not nothing for wear, cause all of my go-to no clothes then can't fit me. Alright, me buy you a dress and me go market. Really? Yes. Mommy, what me I go wear for my foot, cause my shirt shoes mash up. Me can buy you one slippers tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Mommy, me I leave out now here. Later, love you. Wait there. And where you a go? The party? Party? Bugsy birthday party, mommy, you remember? Tommy never tell us me I said I go no way. But you buy me clothes. Yeah, fair we got church Saturday. But mommy, better you go sit down here, cause me all dream see your granny last night, and from me wake up my foot button and stop catch me and my left ear jump. Ma come out under fear kid make you can't on a fear yard. You take up a book for a morning, go take up a book man. I go wipe out the house. Make sure you wipe out my room too. And water a coconut tree. And wash up your plate them.